Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Allstate insurance bill online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay your Allstate insurance bill online. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, there's multiple ways you could actually go about doing this. One way to do it is that once you're logged onto your Allstate account online, you could actually go ahead and click on Payments, the drop-down menu, and then click on Make a Payment. Now, once you're on this page here, you're going to see different ways to actually make a payment. You can pay the minimum, you can pay the total balance, or you can pay another amount on your Allstate account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pay your Allstate insurance bill online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.